And then we've got the goods. We got the goods. Stunning. It's gorgeous. Wow, wee wah. Hi guys, so I have a little video today. I very kindly got sent a little gift from my friend Molly that I just wanted to unbox with you guys because it's a new gift set that I think everybody's going to be obsessed with. So I thought we'd unbox it together. She's a little angel. I love her very much. I wasn't speaking for a couple of days. I wasn't replying to anybody, to be honest. We went out on the Monday and we had a long day walking around. I don't really tell you guys these things, but I generally do get quite a lot of joint pain. I've had it since I've had Rudy and it's just quite painful. And I think I'd pushed myself too much that day, so it ended up being joint pain all over and it felt like I had the flu as well. It was just intense. It is being looked into. I'm waiting on an appointment for rheumatology, but it's quite a long wait where I live. I think it's a long wait anyway on the NHS. But my partner, my mum has all of the arthritises, so I think they're just looking into that to see if I potentially have arthritis. Yay! If not, hopefully they can look into it and see what's going on. So I had a couple of days where I was just sort of surviving, not thriving. I wasn't having the best of days, and I think Molly maybe picked up on that, like subliminally, I don't know. Anywho, Molly sent me this lovely gift and I thought I'd open it with you guys together. I found the parcel a day late in my parcel box. I didn't realise it was there, and I'd filmed my previous video saying that I really wanted this gift set but I didn't have the money at the time, and then 10 minutes later I had a parcel delivered and I saw the picture and I was like, oh, there's a Lush box in the parcel box as well. And I opened it and it was the gift that I was on about. It was just so bizarre that I'd literally mentioned it and then it appeared in my parcel box from her, so I'm very happy. Anyway, enough waffling, Charlie, let's get into it. I don't think this is going to be the longest video in the world, but I'm just so excited. Can you see? It is the Posh Chocolate gift set. I really love this box. I don't know, it's just got something about it. So it's a lovely blue stripy pattern, and then you've got the chrome Posh Chocolate on all of the sides, which is fab. And then on the back, obviously, it tells you what we've got in there and the dates they were made and such. So yeah, let's open it together. So there's two regular bits in here, and then we've got an exclusive to this gift set, which is what I am most excited about. Okay, let's open it. Oh, there we go. Bye bye. I have 3 of these now. I need to go in store and use them. You've got your little slip that tells you what's in the box, and then we've got the goods. We got the goods. Looks like that. Stunning. Blooming stunning. So we'll save the best till last. I'm gonna make you guys wait. No, I'm joking. Let's just do the other 2 bits first, and then we'll have a look at the lotion at the end and see if it does smell like Posh Chocolate. So first up we have the Posh Chocolate shower gel. I am fully stocked on this stuff now and I could not be more excited, because when I'm really obsessed with the product, like I just have that thing in the back of my head that I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to repurchase that soon. And nobody likes parting with money, do they? I'm so tight. But I've got loads of it now and I'm so happy. Let's have a sniff. It's my favourite. I love it so much. Oh. It's National Hot Chocolate Day tomorrow, apparently. I posted the little opening of my parcel on Instagram, and I've seen somebody just comment saying it's International Hot Chocolate Day tomorrow, so I'm going to have a Posh Chocolate bath and a hot chocolate. It's going to be fantastic. Yes, so we have this. This stuff's insane. If you're new here and you've not seen my videos, my name's Charlie. We do loads of Lush videos, so feel free to subscribe and stick around. If you didn't know, this stuff smells like liquid chocolate. It's phenomenal. So we love it. This is our fave. I'm so happy. I have 2. How many do I have? I've got 2, well, I've got 1.5. I actually have the other one here because I'm about to film a favourites video. And of course it's my favourite. I've got 1.5 small ones. Are you gonna focus, my love? Oh, there we go. Phone's having a bit of a funny moment. And then I've got the massive one. So exciting. Sorry, it's late on the evening. When the day goes on, I just get even more tired and weird apparently. So yeah. We love. Next, this is again one of my all-time favourite Lush products. It's absolutely stunning. It's melting in my hands already. Is the Soft Coeur Massage Bar. Excuse my crusty nails, the nail varnish has fallen off. Beautiful. Little heart. And it has a little piece of actual chocolate in it as well, which is precious. Don't even get me started. So this is a retro product technically. It got discontinued a while ago and it has come back with the retro goodies on the Lush app. I know you can get it in some stores on the retro walls. I don't know if it's available in all stores considering it's on the app. I think it is just like retro app exclusives, and then you can also get them in the Anchor stores as well. This stuff is phenomenal. It's basically chocolate and honey mixed together. It's stunning. It is melting in my hands. I'm going to put it down, but there it is. Shall we give it a go? Go on, let's have a go, shall we? Just gorgeous. I love the massage bars. Just look at the glow on that. Elite scent, elite, honestly. I don't actually think it is Posh. Oh, I've got hair. Does this happen to everybody else with massage bars? As soon as I've used it, there's bloody dust and hair all over it. I'm going to put this one down. What was I saying? Yeah, I don't think it actually is the Posh Chocolate scent. I think it might just be a scent in and of itself. It is sort of like, probably like what Posh Chocolate and Honey I Wash the Kids smushed together would be like. Delicious. I love it so much, honestly. Oh God, I'm so glad I have another one of those because well, when did I use it up? A couple of months ago, I think I used my last one up. So I'm very happy I have another one of those. Right then, moment of truth. I'm so excited. It's the lotion. Posh Chocolate Body Lotion. So this one says, calling all chocoholics. This one melts on your skin and not in your mouth. It's much better this way, we promise. So the majority of the scented ingredients are the same. It is just this obviously has all your butters and your nourishing aspects in it. So I feel like it's just going to smell like Posh Chocolate, maybe a bit creamier. Let's do it. I'm so excited. Oh, I can smell with the other hand. Let's get some out. Oh, looks like foundation. What an odd colour. Love it. That's what it looks like. Very nice thick one, this. I don't feel like you'd need a lot of it at all. Let's smell. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. It is ever so slightly a lighter scent than this. This is stronger, but it still smells like Posh Chocolate. Wow, wee wah. Love it. Rub that sucker in. Ooh, that feels nice. Ooh. That is, feels really good. That's like silk. I feel like that's the best lotion I've felt in a while. I mean, I know they're predominantly the same, but that feels really nice. Look how nice it's sunk in as well. There's no like, there is a silky feeling, but it's not like oily or like a film. That's just really got sucked in by my skin. Love it. Thanks, Molly. I'm on such a hype with these. I'm sorry if it's getting annoying, but I just really love Posh Chocolate so much. It's like, ugh, I'm gonna film a favourites video after this, and spoiler, it is in there. But oh, I just love it. Love it. Let's put you back in the box until we use you. I love this box so much as well. So there we have her. I just thought that would be a nice little unboxing, you know. It's just such a lovely, precious little gift set, I think. Oh, I did tot up what the price is as well to see if it was added up right, do you know what I mean? So the Posh Chocolate Shower Gel itself, I think, is 8 or 9. The soft Coeur is 8. And this lotion, I put the price down as the Sticky Dates one because it's on the same hype train as that, do you know what I mean? And the Sticky Dates one for this size is a bit pricier than regular lotions. It is £12. So I priced it at that price point because obviously there's no price for it because it's in the gift set. And it worked out at 29 altogether, and the gift set is 32, I want to say. 32. So all in all, you get your money's worth. You just pay a few pound extra for the box, which I think's precious. I'm keeping this box. I absolutely love it. Good storage compartments in there as well. I can put all my Posh Chocolate in there. Love it. So yeah, hope you like that video. Bit doolally. Do apologise, guys. But are you guys as hyped about Posh Chocolate as me? I just can't contain my excitement. I'm dying for a body spray. Dying. That would just complete it all. Come on, Lush. I know you're gonna. You're gonna, aren't you? You have to. Okay, I'm gonna go. I love you guys all very much. Have the best day in the world. Bye bye.